Hello and welcome to Geekatplay Studio Tutorials. In this tutorial we'll look on a bit more advanced topic. It is how to import spline and how we can control them. So when we create a first spline, you kind of may be familiar with all these options, and right here last one option we have it import spline. But before we do this, let's go inside the vector application. I'm using Adobe Illustrator and I'm going just select one. And some options, what I'm doing, it will be specific to the Illustrator. So right here, for example, I have it one path, and as Illustrator, what I want to do, I want to go save it, and let's just overwrite test one with this. And I want to be sure I'm saving as EPS Illustrator 3 format. So if you notice, it is EPS extensions. So we'll go ahead, save, we'll save this. Now we're ready to import. So we'll go select test one, click open, and right here, you'll notice we have imported our path. So the one thing you also see, our path is kind of flat. So what's happening if we have a terrain? Okay, and let's say this terrain right here, and I want to apply my path points to the height of the terrain. We can go ahead and select the points, control points inside our line, and we'll just right click and place them drop to the terrain. Right now we are ready to do other modifications if you want it. So you can go ahead and modify it. Here, and in this point we can go preview, and you can see here we have it, our spline located with height of terrain and some options applied. Okay, so we're affecting our terrain as well. This way you can create it and import it. With Adobe Illustrator or others, when you work, it will understand some layers. And as example, right here we have it one layer. So let's say if this is one and I want to just create another one. So let's go say I create this layer. So I'm going now save. We'll save say test 2. Okay, again, EPS format, Illustrator 3. Okay, now we're going inside. We'll go create new spline and we'll select test 2. Okay, you notice it's exactly the same. So that our spline is look exactly the same as one before. What we need to do right here, we actually need to go ahead, select where we have it, arrange, and bring send to back. Okay, so we'll go file, we'll go now save, we'll save as test 2. Okay, let's go ahead right now. We'll create spline. Okay, right here you can see, let's click OK, new spline that we just imported. So it's some case when you work, because it's flattened, whatever is first layer is will applied, another one ignore it. So you could have it multi-layer, but when you start importing, it doesn't take combined layers. You just have a bottom layer. It's what the view will read in this format. It's kind of older format. Of course, when you create spline, you can modify and adjust not just the points. You can also take normals and adjust in a way you think a normal should be according to the terrain. And so this is a tutorial about how we can import spline inside Vue. Thank you for watching, and remember, visit us on our web is www.geekatplay.com.